launch this self-driving bus dito sa New Clark City.
Behind me is our new automated vehicle here in New Clark City, which is driverless and advanced.
This autonomous vehicle uses SMOC o Smart Mobility Operation Cloud. Ang sistemang ito ay konektado sa mga devices ng mga vehicle.
So we hope you can see everyone. You get to try our autonomous or the driverless vehicles as well as the other vehicles that we have here. So we have the Euro 4 vehicle and we also have our electric vehicle. So see you all here in New Clark City.
It works
It works.
It works.
like a dream.
Self-driving bus, no? Wala ng driver. Una sa lahat, Japan-made siya. Ganda yung material na ginamit. Automated na to. Ibig sabihin, nakaprogram na tong vehicle na to kung saan siya pupunta from point A to point B. Air-conditioned yata siya. And meron siyang CCTV inside, so makikita yata sa loob kung ano yung nangyayari. And it can accommodate at least 8 to 15, I guess, yung mga tao. Concern ko lang, what if ito yung gamitin sa Pilipinas? And ano mangyayari sa mga jeepney drivers or bus drivers natin? Mawawalan ba sila ng trabaho? Yun lang para sa akin. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Comment sa baba